Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out a couple of smart padlocks from Igloo Home. And Igloo Home sent us these for the review. So we've got two here. This is the Padlock 2. This is a really heavy duty military grade lock. And this is the Padlock Lite. So this is a little smaller lock. This is good for like work or school or the gym, something like that. This one opens with Fingerprint and it also works with the app. And this one here has a code that you can program and it also works with their app. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. All right. We'll start with the heavy duty Padlock 2. It says it's MILSTD 810H and has gone under 7 durability tests. So whatever that means, I think it means it's really hard to break into. So it comes with some instructions. It charges via USB-C, and you're going to want to charge it before you use it. All right, there it is. It's really heavy duty. It's very heavy. So this is really good for something like, your storage shed or maybe your gate or something you really want to make sure no one can get into. Very heavy, very well built. Over here. And like I said, it does charge via USB-C, and the charging port is down there. So it's just easy to plug into USB-C and get it going. This pairs up with the Igloo Home app, and you can either unlock it with a keypad or actually unlock it with the app. So let's open that up and I'll show you how it works. All right, so I've already paired this up, so I got to make sure it's awake and just push like a button here. And then I click it here and I can unlock it right from this screen. And it's unlocked here. And then when you push it down like that, it automatically locks itself. By the way, this is really cool because you notice it's not sliding around here. It's got this cool rubber gasket on it, so when you put it on a flat surface, it's not moving, so it's not going to slip or slide. All right, so the lock has all these different features. You can change the access, you can add codes, you can look at your logs and settings, and you can change all these different settings, which is really neat. All the auto unlock, auto lock. It's got a lot of great customization here. You can even change the volume. And if you look in your profile, you can actually also add it to your Apple Watch, which is pretty neat. So you can unlock it with you can set codes here with the keypad, or you can unlock it with your phone or your watch. All right, so you can also set up a code for your lock. So I'm going to go ahead and set one up right now. Create access. I can create a PIN code or I can make a Bluetooth key. And this is really neat because I can send the Bluetooth key to somebody else and they can come in and unlock this lock. So I'm going to try it I'm going to do a PIN code first. And I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. How's that? Okay. And I'll call this test. And I can change how I'd like the PIN code. It can be just valid just once, weekly, it can be permanent, or it could set a duration. So this really gives you a lot of customizable things. Igloo Home also has a really cool feature for all their locks called Algo Pin, and it generates a random PIN code of 7 to 9 digits remotely. So this is really good if you're using this for maybe some guest access in Airbnb or something that you share with other people. So it's really neat. So I'm going to do this here. So I'll just try this. I'll make this code valid once. Create access. All right, I've created the PIN code. All right, so let's see if the PIN code works. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It worked. I unlocked it. So now, since it was only good once, it shouldn't work again. See, that worked. So that was really cool. I could create a one-time access code. That's pretty neat. All right. So that is the Padlock 2. It's really nice heavy-duty lock. Let's check out the smaller lock. Okay, so here it is. This is the Padlock Lite. This is a lot lighter than the other lock. Has a fingerprint reader here, and it's much smaller mechanism. Here's the light that comes on. So this also charges via USB-C. There's a little connector right here. So it comes with the USB-C charging cable. It's a little tiny guy here. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug in this handy dandy USB-C cable I have here. So I can pair it up with my app. So it's charging. And let's go ahead and connect it. Pair a lock. Here it is, Padlock Lite. Found it right away. Pair. I'm going to call this Little Red Lock. And you have to put it on a home. This is a home app for locks, so you had to create a home. Put it on App My Home. Finish pairing. Pairing complete. Now I got to check to see if there's a firmware update. Everything needs a firmware update these days. Oh, firmware is up to date. Hallelujah. All right, so now I'm going to add a fingerprint. And name of fingerprinted user, me. Okay. All right, make sure your finger is clean and dry. Place your finger on the center for better accuracy. So let's get started. Right, ready? Let's go. Just says scan your fingerprint by placing your finger on the lock sensor and lifting it off when your phone vibrates. All right, Valerie has been successfully added. Done. All right, now let's see if that works. Wow, that was great. All right, so I've got my fingerprint in there. I can also unlock it with this app here. That works. All right, so you can unlock it with the app. You can unlock it with your fingerprint. So this is a nice little lock here. So you can also, like the other lock, you can change access. You can create access. You can add other fingerprints. You can give people a Bluetooth key that they can use with their igloohome app. And then it will give you logs of everything that you've done. And then you can change some of these other settings. All right, so those are the igloohome Smart Padlock. So this is the Padlock Lite, which is really great for, gym or school or things like that. This is the Padlock 2. This is heavy duty military grade for really important stuff to lock. Now you can unlock this one with a code, or you can use the app. This one you use a fingerprint or use the app. Thank you for watching.